It's not your speed, it's your upstroke. Watch this. When your picking falls apart at speed, it's usually not both directions. It's your upstroke lagging your picking behind. At slow speeds, you can hide it. But the second you go fast, it shows up. Speed doesn't create the problem, it exposes it. So here's a quick way to actually fix it. Stay on one string, add a little palm muting. Now close your eyes. You're trying to feel the motion, not watch it. Play slow and check this. Does the upstroke feel lighter, heavier, less controlled? That's the imbalance. Now cycle this, slow enough that every note matches, then speed up just until it breaks. Then back off. Slow, fast, slow. Now it holds together, because both directions are doing the same job. If you want to go deeper, I've got a full picking routine built around this. Same idea, but expanded into a full workout. Speed doesn't build control, it reveals it. The full routine's on my Patreon, link in my description. That full routine's on my Patreon, link in the description. That full routine's on my Patreon, links in the description.